NCPUL Delhi Recruitment 2020. So guys, watching here recruitment notification from NCPUL. So let's check it is now. So guys, you are watching here, the posts are for MTS, LDC, uh, assistant editor and other posts. So notification details, notification number is for 2020. Important date, last date of application within 30 days from 28th of September 2020. From the date of publication, advertisement. Sorry, you have to apply till 28th of September 2020 from the date of application. So don't pay fakers on whatever the starting date. Just pay focus on, you have to apply till to 28th of September 2020 from today. So as a visual vacancy details, let's check now of what are the numbers of posts available. So for multitasking staff MTS, there are 4 posts. For lower division clerk LDC, there are 2 posts. For assistant editor, 1 post. Principal publication officer, 1 post. Research officer, 1 post. So let's check now educational qualification. For research officer, at least 2nd class master degree in science, art, education, commerce, and 5 years of experience in teaching, research in Urdu and general administration. For multitasking staff, 10 passed. For low division clerk LDC, 10 passed and typewriting speed of 25 words per minute and 30 words per minute on computer. For assistant editor AE, master degree in Urdu and English, must have Urdu subject or degree level in case of MA English and English at a degree level in case of MA Urdu, and 3 years of editing and translation experience. For Principal Publication Officer PPO, Office of the Central State Government. So age limit for Principal Publication Officer is 56 years. So if you are lower than 56 years, then you can apply for this post. For research officer, 40 years. Assistant editor, 35 years. LDC 18 to 27 years. Multitasking staff, 18 to 25 years. Selection will be done on the basis of objective, descriptive, type, written test. So how you can apply? The eligible candidates can apply to the post in the prescribed format online through official website urducouncil.nic.in. Application fee is rupees 500. For ST category, it's 250. So you guys, you are watching a link for NCPUL recruitment notification PDF. Just watch the detailed notification to apply online. So you can find this link in the description box. I have given there. If you want to apply, if you are eligible, then must visit the link and read the whole notification and apply for it. That's it guys. Okay, bye bye.